Hi everyone, hope you're all well. In today's video, we're going to look at some of the best Shopify themes to help you find the perfect design for your online store. As we all know, the right theme can make a significant impact on the success of your e-commerce business. It sets the tone, it creates a memorable user experience, and ultimately drives conversions as well. So whether you're starting up a new store or looking to revamp your existing one, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll go through the 5 most popular themes, both free and paid, and where you can find them. We'll explore their strengths, discuss the suitability for different business types, and highlight the reasons why they stand out from the rest. So let's get started. So starting off strong with the Brooklyn theme, and this is really good for retail, especially fashion retail types businesses. The Brooklyn theme is one of the most popular and versatile Shopify themes available. It's known for its modern design, really clean design, making it suitable for a wide range of businesses, but particularly those in the fashion, apparel, and lifestyle industries. What's really great about this theme is that there's multiple styles and layouts. So Brooklyn offers a variety of pre-built styles and layout options to choose from, and this allows you to customize the appearance of your store and find a design that aligns with your brand's identity and aesthetics as well. The theme itself is mobile responsive, and that's also a really good thing to consider whenever you are picking a Shopify theme. With the increasing use of mobile devices for online shopping, the Brooklyn theme ensures that your store looks great and functions seamlessly on mobile phones, tablets, making sure everything's tidy, organized, and still easy to navigate on mobile as well, providing an optimal browsing experience for all of your customers. They also have a dynamic product grid. So this theme features this dynamic product grid that showcases your products in an organized and visually appealing manner. And this kind of layout allows customers to browse through your offerings efficiently and find what they're looking for. There's also pre-built sort of like sorting filters and also category filters as well, making everything really easy to navigate. The Brooklyn theme also allows you to customize the header of your online store, giving you control over the logo, the nav menu, and promotional banners as well. And this enables you to create a really unique and branded experience for your customers. And for their homepage, it's really flexible. So the theme provides various sections for your homepage, allowing you to highlight featured products, promotional banners, collections, testimonials, and lots more. This kind of flexibility allows you to create an engaging and personalized storefront that captures the attention of your visitors. There's also social media integration, so it integrates seamlessly with popular social media platforms and allows you to connect your store with social media accounts as well. This integration enables you to showcase social media feeds, share customer reviews, and encourage social sharing of your products as well. And the theme is also designed to work seamlessly with Shopify's built-in features and apps, so that means that you can leverage functionalities like product variations, discounts, inventory management, and lots more, so that you can use to enhance the functionality of your online store. And overall, it's really customer-friendly, user-friendly, easy to customize, allowing you to make changes from things like the colors, fonts, and other visual elements without requiring any kind of coding knowledge. This makes it really accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise as well. So whether you're a small boutique, a fashion brand, or a lifestyle store, the Brooklyn theme provides a really solid foundation for your Shopify store, combining aesthetics, functionality, and ease of use. It's really versatile, and the range of design options and responsive layout that you have make it a really popular choice for lots of e-commerce entrepreneurs. So next up we have is the Ella theme, and the Ella theme is a really popular Shopify theme, again designed for fashion, apparel, and accessory stores. It has a really stylish and elegant design with a focus on visual storytelling and product showcasing as well. So some key features of the Ella theme. It features a really modern and fashionable design aesthetic that appeals to fashion-conscious shoppers, and it also incorporates visually appealing elements like large product categories, product imagery, really sleek typography, and a really clean layout to create this immersive shopping experience as well. Ella includes a really advanced filtering system, and basically it has really advanced sort of filtering options that enable customers to refine their product searches by category and features product as well. Additionally, it provides a quick view feature that allows shoppers to get a closer look at product without having to click through into the product page. For example, if you click into quick view, it shows me a overview of the product that instead of actually clicking onto the product page itself. The theme also allows you to highlight specific product collections or promotions by featuring them prominently on your homepage as well. It's very visually appealing and informative as well. You can showcase multiple product images, display product variants, provide detailed descriptions, and include customer reviews to really enhance that purchasing experience. And again, they also have the social sharing and customer review sections as well. That allows customers to easily share your product on various social media platforms. Additionally, it also integrates with Shopify's customer review functionality, allowing shoppers to leave reviews and ratings for your products as well. And similar to the Brooklyn theme, the Shopify Ella theme is also mobile responsive. So it's built with a responsive design basically that allows for easy browsing for users. The store looks great on different browsers, different platforms, and functions seamlessly across different devices and screen sizes, and that's really essential for providing a consistent and user-friendly shopping experience for your customers. When you're using the Ella theme, it's really good to take advantage of the theme editor in Shopify to customize colors, fonts, and other visual elements to align with your brand identity. It's also worth exploring the theme's documentation and support resources to learn more about its specific customization options and settings as well. But overall, it's a really good, fun design, especially for retail websites, and definitely one that you should check out as well. So next up is the Shoptimize theme. And the Shoptimize theme is a conversion-focused Shopify theme designed to maximize sales and optimize the user experience. It offers a wide range of features and customization options aimed at increasing conversions and improving overall store performance. Some key features of the Shoptimize theme mainly is their high converting design. So this design is built with a focus on conversion optimization. It incorporates design elements and layouts that are specifically designed to encourage visitors to take action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. And also with mobile commerce on the rise, the Shoptimize theme is developed with a mobile first approach as well. So it ensures that your store looks and functions seamlessly on a mobile device, providing a user-friendly experience for customers who prefer to shop on their smartphones and tablets. And that's becoming more and more these days. So it's really important to ensure that your theme is designed to work on different screen sizes as well, and that it's easy to navigate on different screen sizes. And with this theme, there are lots of CRO features, as in also conversion rate optimization features. So there's various built-in CRO features to help increase sales, and these features include scarcity timers. So things like low stock notifications to kind of entice users to buy more. Trust badges as well. They also include social proof elements like customer reviews and ratings, optimized product pages, and persuasive call to action buttons. They've got, even on the general shop pages, they've got the quick buy features to give customers sort of less notice to buy and just to quickly buy something off the website as well. So it's really optimized for conversion rates as well. Shoptimize offers extensive customization options for product pages. You can showcase product images, display product variations, provide detailed descriptions. You can offer upsells and cross-sells and include customer reviews to enhance the overall shopping experience and drive conversions as well. The theme integrates with one-click upsell apps and provides a built-in funnel builder, and this allows you to create upsell offers and post-purchase funnels to increase the average order value end and maximize your revenue. And is also optimized for speed, ensuring fast page load times and a smooth web browsing experience as well for all of your customers. This is really crucial for reducing the bounce rate and improving overall user satisfaction as well. The theme also includes trust bidding elements like the trust badges, secure checkout icons, and payment provider logos, and these will kind of help instill a bit of confidence in your customers and alleviate any concerns they might have about the security of the personal information. And lastly, Shoptimize seamlessly integrates with Shopify's built-in features and apps, and this means you can leverage functionalities such as abandoned cart recovery, inventory management, discounts, and more to enhance your store's capabilities. It is worth noting though, unlike the other themes that we've seen so far, the Shoptimize theme typically requires some setup and configuration to fully utilize its conversion-focused features. Additionally, the theme may have its own dedicated support resources, tutorials, and documentation to assist you in making the most of its capabilities. But if you're looking to quickly increase your conversions, then this theme might be the one for you as well. And it's suitable for all business type, for most business types, for retail, food, and things like that. Lastly, we have the Dawn theme, and the Dawn theme is actually the default theme that you get when you first sign up for an account and you're first setting up your own shop as well. It's a free Shopify theme, and while it's quite minimal, it's very, very versatile, and it's designed to showcase product in a really clean and elegant manner. So it is quite a good theme to use anyway. So their main features is the minimalist design, and it offers this clean aesthetic with a focus on simplicity and clarity. It provides a visually uncluttered layout that puts the spotlight on your products, allowing them to take center stage. Just like all the other themes we've seen so far, the Dawn theme is built with a responsive design, meaning it adapts smoothly to various screen sizes and devices, and this ensures a seamless browsing experience for your customers, whether they're using desktops, laptops, tablets, or even smartphones. What's also really good about the Dawn theme is that they have a product focused homepage. So the homepage of the Dawn theme is a really cool layout and is designed to highlight your products really effectively. It features really customizable sections that allows you to showcase featured products, product collections, and promotional banners as well. There's also collection filtering. The theme includes this kind of filtering option for product collections, making it easier for customers to navigate and refine their product searches based on different criteria like price, color, size, and lots more. And Dawn offers various content sections that you can customize to suit your brand and product presentation as well. These sections include a slideshow, image galleries, testimonials, promotional banners, and more, enabling you to create a unique and engaging shopping experience as well. Dawn is an official Shopify theme, meaning that it seamlessly integrates with Shopify's built-in features and functionalities as well. And that means you can leverage features such as their inventory management, product variations, discounts, and lots more to enhance the functionality of your online store. And it also includes social media integration, allowing you to integrate your social media accounts, and it can help you display social media feeds, share customer reviews, and encourage social interaction and sharing of your products. It's worth noting that while the Dawn theme provides a really solid foundation for your Shopify store, again, it still does require a little bit of customization to align with your specific branding and needs. You can use the theme editor in Shopify to modify colors, fonts, and other visual elements as well to kind of help get the look and feel that you actually want for your website. And that wraps up our exploration of the best Shopify themes. We've covered a range of themes that cater to your different industry and business needs, and they all have their own unique features and design elements as well. So whether you're looking for a minimalist and clean design or a conversion focused theme, there's a Shopify theme out there to suit your online store. But remember that choosing the right theme for your Shopify store is a crucial step in creating a captivating and user-friendly shopping experience. Consider your branding and consider your target audience, design functionalities when you're making your selections as well. And don't forget to explore the customization options and take advantage of Shopify's built-in features and apps to enhance your store's performance as well. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your own online store. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce tips and insights. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.